Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is No Chefs here. Join me today in making one of my most favorite things, Chinese Hoisin ribs. There will be a few deviations from traditional recipe, so stick around and we'll discuss all that. For ribs, I have 2.5 pounds of baby back ribs. So let's begin preparing our marinade, and it starts like this. We have about a half tablespoon white pepper, finely minced 3 cloves of garlic, as fine as you can get it, or you can also use garlic press. About half of that amount of ginger, but unpeeled ginger size is just about this much of your finger. 2 white parts of green onion, finely minced. Let's add this all together. Two tablespoons hoisin sauce. 2 tablespoons sriracha. My understanding is traditional way is to actually use ketchup, but I like everything spicy. So there you go. 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce. 1 tablespoon rice vinegar. And now we'll mix. There you go. Give it a taste. That's perfect in my opinion. I am skipping sugar altogether. I had to cut them in half because this is the biggest dish I have and they don't fit. Another thing that I will be doing not so traditionally is I will not cut them. And this is because I like the contrast of the dark caramelized outside versus the inside meat. So what we'll do is we'll pat them dry. Also, the membrane in the back, guys, most people remove it, I think. I don't. I really don't mind chewy texture of a membrane. Also, you know, I don't like wasting food, so I'm going to leave it on. One thing I will do with membrane is I will score it. So give it a little bit in the back. Flip it. Now this is where all of the meat is on the front, right at the top. And I want to concentrate and make sure that this gets covered with good amount of marinade. So I have about a half of marinade left, or I will save this, leave it in the refrigerator, and when I'm ready to bake this, I will add to here some sesame oil, about teaspoon, not much, and probably about a half tablespoon to a tablespoon of honey to help that glazing process. So this you can cook right away, marinate for a couple hours, but with me, I always find it best to do it overnight. So we'll see you at the next step when we'll actually cook this. Transfer the ribs onto a foil lined pan. We will be baking this uncovered at 325 Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, set them aside and let them come up to room temperature. For garnish, we'll be using some green onion. Thinly slice and place into a cold water to let it curl up. We'll also use toasted sesame seeds. Here you go. This is what they look like after an hour. Look at this. Look how perfect this looks. Wow. They're not completely full of the bone, which is exactly what I wanted. I wanted to have some bite and chew into it. It's perfect. Juicy. Look at that, guys. They look beautiful.